Cut the 1.0 mm diameter carbon rod to a length of 35 mm. Insert the carbon rod into the 3D printed part. Use the carbon rod to clear the holes of the 3D printed part. Mount the servo onto the 3D printed bracket with screws. Please pay attention to the routing of the servo wires. Install the other servo. Glue the carbon rod firmly using super glue. Mount the flight controller board onto the battery compartment. Ridges on the 3D printed piece stop the flight controller from sliding out. Assemble the two 3D printed parts together. Inserting the 3 carbon rods into the battery compartment can be tricky, so please operate with patience. Fit the receiver into place. Plug the servo wires into the flight controller board. Glue the carbon rod firmly using super glue. Stick anti-collision pads to safeguard the servos. Plug the battery into the flight controller, switch on, and the servos will auto-reset. Then install the metal servo horns. Installation tip: the end of the servo horn should be above the horizontal line. If the servo horn sits below the horizontal line, under this condition, the servo horn cannot be adjusted to the proper position. Normally, I adjust the servo horn upward by 1 tooth position. Enter the bind screen on the transmitter. Power the Ehlers receiver 3 times in quick succession to enter receiver bind mode. Activate the bind function on the transmitter. Exit the bind interface after successful binding. At this point, the transmitter shows receiver signal, but the joysticks cannot yet control the butterfly. You need to switch the flight controller to Ehlers control mode. See our earlier videos for how to switch the control mode. Wait again until the receiver signal appears. Now you're ready to control the butterfly. Turn on Channel 5 Servo Trim Mode. Use Channel 1 and Channel 2 to adjust the angle of the servo horns. Keep left-right servo horns approximately horizontal. After adjustment, turn off Channel 5. Double-tap Flight Controller K to save servo horn angles. The green LED on the flight controller board lights up, indicating successful saving. Secure the metal servo horn with screws. Screw the screws into the wing mounting holes. Back out the protruding section of each screw. Perform the same operation for the other wing. Mount the wings onto the servo horns. Install the other wing in the same way. Plug the LED strip connector into the flight controller board. The butterfly is now ready.